guys! Recognition ngayon ni Max at KD, pero si Max muna today. Nang ano oras ba yun? 9:30 to 12. Tapos si Kuya KD naman 2 to 4.
SMCT.
SMCT.
At
Max! Max! Bow! Bow!
Max, mama, picture. Ayun, okay na.
Looks after you, cares for you, because we want you all to be good and behave young girls and boys.
Smile, smile.
Dear Beaver Award, Excellence in Mathematics. The following 100 plus lesson rule, you may do so, but kindly avoid passing or crossing the set barrier.
going to graduation.
Yes. So, Pogi, may kuya.
Thanks.
Kuya. Kuya KD naman.
That's 30. That's it. That's 30. No, not that one. No one above 30. That's 30.
Ganda ng book na binigay sa inyo, ah.